Hello everyone, I'm presenting you my latest digital kit called Lovely Birds. So you have 2 pages of design papers for just to print as a page or print as a smaller page. Now you have those pages where you have place for journaling with or without lines. So you can print those pages as is, as a portrait page, or you can print them smaller because you'll have all the JPEGs files as individual formats. You have background pages like this one, and the next one with line to print either at the back or to use as a page for journaling that kind of goes with the theme with the little eggs. Now you have 3 pages of dual pages ready to be printed to create junk journal pages in the landscape format. So I joined them together, they're all the same size and they're just ready to print, trim the white, and then fold into following the line in the middle, and you have 2 gorgeous pages with the birds to add into your junk journal. I suggest you try to print those pages on coffee stain paper. It would look awesome, literally, with a more vintagey looking style, and that's my favorite way. But I'm still in the middle of my moving process, so I just have a regular printer with me. I cannot really show you. So here I show you the background page of those dual pages. There's no line in the middle, so if your printer is not aligned, you will still get something that matches your pages. Now this is a freebie. Join my Facebook group, the link is in the description below, and you can get that file for free. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.